Hello guys, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your ATO's account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you won't be missing any of our new uploads. Now, to log into your Australian Taxation Office account, firstly open your Google search. Type in ATO login and make a search. It will display the search results. Now, click on the first link shown on the page. It will take you to the official page of Australian Taxation Office. Now, click on the login option at the top right corner of the screen. You can sign in to your Australian Taxation Office account by using your My Government details. Now, enter your username or email address and password associated with your account. If you don't remember your username or password, click on Forgot Username or Forgot Password. After entering your username and password, click on Sign In. This is how you can log into your ATO's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.